Isn't it so weird that we're all just like wearing masks now?
I don't know, I've gotten kind of used to this point. Nothing new anymore.
That's fair.
You know what is weird though? I keep seeing people's masks littered across campus on the ground. People definitely aren't putting community first when they leave their masks around like that.
Yeah, that is definitely not good. I guess since so many masks are disposable, people think it's fine to just throw them away.
Wait, there's nothing wrong with disposable masks, are there?
I mean, like, not really, but I prefer not to wear them if I don't have to. And again, you should always wear whatever face coverings you have available, but if given the choice, I always prefer to have a reusable mask on.
Really? Why? I feel like the disposable ones are just so much easier to breathe in.
You might be right, but I personally prefer fabric masks from an environmental and sustainability standpoint.
Well, I guess that makes sense, but why can't we just recycle masks?
That's a really good question. So, a lot of these masks that are disposable are made up of a lot of different materials, and that makes it really hard to recycle them because they can't be sorted into any one category, you know? So, more often than not, they just end up in landfills, which obviously isn't good for the environment.
Wow, I guess I hadn't thought about that before. But how do masks actually hurt the environment when they're in a landfill?
Well, any trash building up in a landfill is bad because it can degrade over time and then it can pollute the surrounding environment through the air, water, or even the soil. But smaller things like masks can also be eaten by animals, which can choke them or make them sick.
Oh no, are you telling me the Villanova squirrels could be harmed by the masks?
It's possible, yeah. And look, wearing a disposable mask is far from the worst thing you can do, since it's still a really important part of putting community first. But wearing a fabric mask can put community first, health and safety first, and the environment first. So if that's something that you have access to, I highly recommend it.
That's good to know. From now on, I'm going to start wearing a fabric mask whenever I can.